Welcome back to my channel. This will be craft update number 2, so let's just get started. So first I have this bifold, which I hate, and I don't know why I thought this would be a good idea, but this is that Zebra Fancy That tape over masking tape because I didn't feel like using white and I don't have that much left. And then it has black with this pink Imagine 8 tape, and it just doesn't look good. And I don't know why I decided to make it, and it's kind of peeling up right there, so I'm not going to be able to sell it, which is depressing. And it's peeling up right there, like, can you see that? Like, oh my gosh. So I used Ziploc because when I made this wallet I knew it wasn't going to be that good, so I decided to use Ziploc instead of Glad. So yeah, okay. Next I have this mini accordion, and it's just pink polka dot with white. And if you guys haven't seen my first video, everything that should be clear tape is clear taped, and all of that is clear taped. It's not, you know, just sticky, because that's stupid, and who would do that? I have this other mini accordion with this chevron tape from Dollar Tree, and this is also with white. Everything is clear taped, Ziploc, no sticky anywhere. And I'm gonna kill that bird. Like, can you guys hear that bird? It's getting on my nerves. I should go scare it away. Anyways, I have this next wallet, and it's just the Retro Owls tape with your Sage. And can you guys see that in the bottom? Like, those are the lines from my cutting mat, and I just, you know, okay, whatever. So yeah, it just has 2 card pockets, a short, another card pocket, and a coin pouch. And I don't know if that was closed or if it was just weak. Okay, that's better. And this is the Ziploc from Dollar Tree, which I think is similar to the President's Choice Ziploc, and it's really strong. I think this is going to be my new layout for kids' wallets, because, you know, kids don't have IDs, and I don't know, I figured they'd like coin pouches, and it's 3 inches tall. Like, this is the normal size for my wallets, which are 3 1/4. So I just think that's a better size for kids. So there's that wallet. I have a smallet, and it's this Union Jack tape. Seems clear taped with white and blue in the billfold, and it just has 3 card pockets, a hidden, an ID, and a coin pouch with Glad. That sounds really weak. Yikes. Lastly, I have this trifold, and I don't have a lot of trifolds, so I decided I should make some more. So this one is with the Dollar Tree tape, and the whole outside is clear tape since it's thinner than regular tape, and it's just got dark blue on the inside, and then it has 2 vertical card pockets, 3 horizontal card pockets, a hidden, and a go through hidden. And I don't really like go through hiddens, but I don't know any other way to make trifolds, so I just made it like this. And I use What the Ducks tutorial, and this isn't atomic yellow or green, if it may look green. It's actually this Imagine 8 tape that I got on sale at Michael's, and dark blue. And yeah, I forgot to say there's an ID right there, but you can see that obviously. So, and I was so mad because I put this little strip of tape in, and usually what I do is I put it underneath. I do this, and then I put the strips of tape down, and then I cover all the rest of the sticky, and I didn't place it in the right place, so you could see the back of the tape right here. So I had to put another piece of tape right there, which makes me kind of sad, but I'm glad I did that instead of not covering it, because then I probably wouldn't be able to sell it for regular price. But I think I'll sell this one for regular price. I'm not sure yet. So yeah. So that was my craft update number 2. hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. Also check out my online store, my Facebook, Instagram, all that good stuff. Yeah, so that's everything, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
But I couldn't get enough. It was a rush, but I gave it up.